actress Halima Abubakar formally apologizes to Apostle Johnson Suleman of Omega Fire Ministries, acknowledging her role in spreading false allegations against the religious leader. The controversy, which began in 2022, came to light when Abubakar faced health challenges during a public dispute with the clergyman. During this period, her family made public appeals for the clergyman to maintain his distance from the actress. At the time, speculation circulated that Abubakar was suffering from an autoimmune condition, claims she refuted by releasing her medical records. In a formal letter addressed to Apostle Suleman, Abubakar has expressed profound remorse for her actions. The letter admits her false allegations and acknowledges the impact of her statements on Apostle Suleman, his wife, Dr. Lizzie Suleman, their family, and the Omega Fire Ministry leadership. In a written statement, Abubakar writes, "I humbly ask for forgiveness, recognizing that my apology cannot undo the harm, pain, and distress I caused." She further acknowledges that her state of mind at the time was compromised, stating that she was not thinking right then. The actress concluded her letter with a comprehensive apology, expressing sincere regret for the distress caused to Apostle Suleman, his family, and his ministry. Stay informed with news updates at NaijaNews TV.